If you're managing supply chains today, you know the playbook has changed. Tariffs shift overnight. Trade restrictions appear without warning. Material shortages cascade throughout your network. But here's what might surprise you. 50% of your frontline workers say these geopolitical disruptions are forcing your organization into short-term reactive mode instead of long-term strategic planning. Your workers aren't just feeling the impact of these changes, they're telling you exactly where your vulnerabilities are. Our 2025 Voice of Essential Worker report reveals what we're calling the visibility advantage. Some organizations can see disruptions coming and adapt quickly. Others are flying blind and getting caught off guard repeatedly. Let me break down what over 1,000 frontline workers across manufacturing, distribution, retail, and building supply told us about supply chain resilience. First insight, there's a massive visibility divide. 45% of organizations have full visibility into their supply chain and actively monitor all risk areas. But here's the problem. 17% admit that they don't have a clear understanding of their operational blind spots. There's not just a gap in knowledge, there's a gap in competitive advantage. The companies with full visibility are making informed decisions while others are making educated guesses. Second insight, visibility directly correlates with AI adoption and results. Among organizations with full supply chain visibility, 69% of workers use AI daily and 84% have realized cost reductions. Among those with blind spots, 88% don't use AI and 89% have no plans to. Here's why that really matters. Supply chain visibility isn't just about seeing what's happening, it's about having the technological foundation to respond to what you see. AI becomes your competitive strength, but only if you can see clearly enough to leverage it. Third insight, confidence in risk mitigation depends entirely on experience. We asked workers how confident they are that AI will help mitigate future supply chain risks. Among daily AI users, 78% are confident. Among non-users, only 20% believe AI can help. This confidence gap represents your biggest opportunity. The workers actually using AI tools for supply chain management see their potential. Those who aren't using these tools remain skeptical. So, what does this mean for your supply chain strategy? Stop building long-term strategic plans that assume stable conditions. Instead, invest in the visibility and the agility that you need to quickly respond when conditions change. Your workers are already telling you that reactive capability matters more than predictive accuracy. Focus on closing your visibility gaps first. You can't manage what you can't see, and you can't optimize what you can't measure. Once you have visibility, AI tools become force multipliers instead of expensive experiments. Most importantly, recognize that your frontline workers are your early warning system. They see supply chain disruptions before they hit your dashboards, and they understand geopolitical impacts before they show up in your reports. At Epicor, we've learned that supply chain resilience comes from empowering workers with real-time visibility and intelligent tools. When workers can see potential problems and have the technology to address them quickly, disruptions become manageable challenges instead of business-threatening crises. The question isn't whether geopolitical disruption will impact your supply chain. They already are. The question is whether you'll have the visibility and the agility to respond effectively.